at the athletic center here at Augustana, and we're gonna film the elevators. Oh, and of course it's Kone. What else would it be? We're in Moline. Oh, there's the pool. Sounds like they're blasting Little Lion Man by Mumford and Sons in there. And we woke it up from its slumber. Health and Human Performance Center. That's quite a fancy way of saying gymnasium.
Lower level. Going up. Going up. Second floor. Going down.
I like the stained glass window. It's a mindfulness and well-being space. Wonder what it consists of. Oh, there's nothing. You just have to stand here and be mindful. Oh, there's a compass on the ceiling in case you get lost. How considerate of them. I too find myself getting lost in single empty rooms. Happens to the best of us.
Going down.
All right, we're gonna go to 1. Ow, I bumped my elbow.
First floor.
All right. That'll be it for that one. That's all.